Alright, so we're back. So we did a bunch of sanding. I sanded about an inch past it too. On either side, that said on the Bondo thing, you want to do that. So, and I tried to get all the rust I could. I used a Dremel with a wire wheel too to get into the cracks and stuff that I couldn't really access with the just a sanding block or whatever. So, yeah, it's pretty good. Cleaned this out, wiped it down, washed it. You want a clean surface, they say. So, what I'm gonna do is do some Bondo here. Never done this before, but maybe we can learn together, right? Okay, so you want to massage this little tube. I was trying to follow these directions and stuff, and it's like you want to small holes. Well, I don't know. I got hole and dent. Let's see. Clean all, repair using soap. Okay. Sand surface buried in 30, 40, 80 grams noted. Blah blah blah. 3. Mix kneading cream hardener tube thoroughly for a golf ball amount of filler. Squeeze out 1¼ inch strip of hardener. Or mix a 3-inch diameter circle, 1/2 inch thick of filler, to a 3-inch strip of cream hardener. Okay. Mix uniformly to uniform or thoroughly uniform color and clean non-porous surface. Okay. Let repair cure for at least. Okay, so I got this piece of Lexan here. It should work. It's pretty hard, non-porous. I'm gonna use that. I got a scraper to mix it, but now I'm thinking, and how am I going to apply this once I get it mixed to my vehicle without, if I use this, I might just scratch more paint. I'm going to need something kind of softer to apply it, I'm thinking. So I might get like a plastic scraper type thing. I'll find something. Anyway, I don't know if that was confusing to you, but semi-confusing were the instructions for this. A golf ball size amount of filler. Squeeze out 1¼ inch strip of hardener. Or mix a 3-inch diameter circle, 1/2 inch thick, of filler to a 3-inch strip of cream hardener. Okay, so, well, I guess we can kind of eyeball that. I watched a couple videos too. They said less is better than more. So, okay, so I'm gonna get like a thing I can get it off of here and onto the car with. Something that won't scratch the car, because I intend to scrape it off of here and put it on the car, you know. So I'll get something and we'll try and figure this out. We'll be back.